All right. So if you read the numerical, there is emphasis on the word elastic collision. Now the equations you see on the right hand side are meant for elastic collision, and let's start with the first collision that happens, the collision between 1 and 2. I have put the values in the equation and obtained the values of the final velocity of 1 and the final velocity of the second mass. So you can see they are minus 4 by 3, which means the mass number 1 actually recoils back with this velocity, and the second mass continues to move forward with 8 by 3 m1 velocity. So you can see vf1 and vf2 have been calculated. We will apply exactly the same equations for the collision between 2 and 3. I will show you how to apply those in the second collision. Not very different, but just to complete the numerical. Thank you.